Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. Joined today by Adam the Woo. Yes. We are headed in to check out the new Stage 17 merch store.
Yes, we're going in DCA, kind of, sort of.
Yeah, it's backstage. It's Backlot DCA, backstage DCA, however you want to put it. That's the only way we can access it
I'm
safely.
Pretty much putting my mind that we're in DCA because during Oogie Boogie Bash at DCA, we went in there.
That's right.
So I'm tying that in. So we're going into DCA today.
Yes!
Yes!
So look forward to that, and we'll see what they have to offer in there. I'm curious. All right, normally we would try to attempt the harbor side, especially because Stage 17 is kind of on that side of things. But we've chosen to take the Simba lot and the yellow umbrellas. It's the yellow umbrella route, as I call it. All the kids are calling it that these days. I'm just trying to be hip, guys. There even used to be Pixar Pier. Oh, there they are. Pixar Pier umbrellas right there. In honor of Pixar Charlie. He needs one of these in his backyard. Also wanted to mention, along with the Stage 17 Backlot premiere shop, this will also be a Downtown Disney update. And look, there's the first indicator right there, the new signage. Disney Backlot premiere shop now showing at Stage 17. Continue straight ahead. We will. All right, as we approach the Stage 17 experience, we're walking by World of Disney, and it looks like the line is pretty much non-existent, which usually in the morning, even on a Wednesday, there'll be quite a line lined up of people trying to get in there to purchase items and experience the magic of World of Disney, because it is an amazing store. And look, more signage leading us to Stage 17, and some, looks to be some flags. That means we're getting closer. All right, here is the official entrance to the Backlot premiere shop. Enter here with the very Hollywood looking letters. All right, we're going backstage behind DCA. We're on DCA property now. This is amazing. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this? It's the first time we've been on property outside of the Downtown Disney District. This is so great. We are officially backstage, you guys. Look at this. This is a trip. And look, they've even got these fences adorned with what I call, that's called a step and repeat, where you step to get your photo taken, repeat. So it's kind of like that. You step, you repeat. You step, you repeat. That's technically what that is. Look at the monorail track right there. So cool to be backstage. Cast members only over there. But here is the official entrance. Look at, there's a red carpet. Wow, don't I feel special. Okay, we're walking in on the old red carpet. Here's the big signage. So you're saying I need my 8x10, my headshot?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Bring it in. Get your agent's number.
Okay.
Fill out that form. There's no small rolls.
All right.
There's always plenty of room for extras, you know.
All right.
Get your foot in the door.
Wish me luck, bud. Thank you.
Go break a leg.
He even told me to break a leg, which is a stage term for kind of a good luck. So right away, this stuff looks pretty familiar. Stuff that we've seen over at World of Disney. It's just in a different environment over here in this backstage vibe. It's a very different, giant room. The room's huge. And it feels backstage because it's usually dark backstage.
There's always somebody walking through the shop when you're on the red carpet.
Always. Some Nightmare Before Christmas stuff over here, which is seriously spooky. Jack is back over here on this side of things, but Zero is my hero. So it looks like they've combined a couple shops, because I believe you can only get these in the dress shop, if I'm not mistaken. That's pretty cool. There's some ears too at the end of this first aisle. There's some more ears, Halloweenies, the candy. Your boy Donald recommends that you try his creepy and quacky Halloween popcorn. I love that ceramic pumpkin. Look at that. You could put candy in there pouring out of his mouth. And the Mickey Candelaria, would that be called? Throw a candle in there. There's a projection on the wall of the Backlot Premiere Shop logo. Over on the other perimeter, on the back wall here, we've got a lot of Haunted Mansion stuff, so you know I'm drawn to that. Immediately, I skipped right over here. And it's cool that they've kind of sectioned it off per attraction, because there's the Haunted Mansion dress, all the appropriate Haunted Mansion stuff, all in one place. Do not be puzzled by those stretching portraits. The room is not stretching, it's your imagination. And I'm still threatening to get this sweatshirt. I like it. Tomb, sweet tomb. There's no turning back now. So I think I'll definitely do this per attraction. We'll just kind of go through and separate it via attraction since they've made the effort to do that, as will we. And based on that, we move on to the Jungle Cruise area. It's another shirt I kind of dug. That Jungle Cruise t-shirt right there. Except for the 2020 part. I mean, I guess because it's a 65-year anniversary, you have to mention it, but 2020 kind of, the number kind of leaves a sour taste in my mouth. I don't know about you. Jungle Cruise skipper cap. It's kind of cool. But cool factor has been exceeded with this Jungle Cruise skipper backpack. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I like the canvasy material that it's made of. Now, I don't know if I've seen this. This is a Jungle Cruise cookie jar, I believe, complete with skipper. Maybe you just fill it up with puns. And these ornaments would be really cool for the next holiday that's coming, Christmas. You get these now. They really went the extra mile. Even the social distance signs are of the Stage 17 look with the gold border. This faceless lady has a very, very cool Jungle Cruise hat on. I like that. I have not seen that. Looking very good, and you're holding onto your skipper backpack there. So it's got a handle. You could treat it like a purse. I like the style you're rocking there. It looks really good. And it seems like each zone even has a little display area, like a centerpiece display area. The shirt's really cool. I love that. It's a kid's shirt, but they need to blow that up, make that for an adult, because I would totally wear that. Here's a franchise I'm a fan of. I'm not so much a fan of the attraction itself. The movies are great. I went on that ride day one for the opening day, and that was enough for me. That was terrifying. But I dig the retro style of that. And the Guardian's cap is really neat because it's got a little tape right there. That's amazing. Cassette tapes. You remember those? If you do, you're as old as me. Let's not forget about the Pirates of the Caribbean. You know, I had that jerk chicken sandwich over at Earl of Sandwich the other day. Got to go check out that little review. I don't think I've ever seen Pirates of the Caribbean Battleship. That's a really great idea because I love Battleship and I love pirates. You sank my battleship. They've even got a whole rack of pins here. Looks to be of the Halloween nature. Different franchises and some mystery packs over here on this side. Even some lanyards. But I'm a fan of the mystery packs. I would be into getting maybe the Haunted Mansion one. And there's the options you get. I would want that third one on the top there of the mansion itself. That's what I would be wishing for if I got these. I didn't realize they had these light up Mickey keychains. Have I not seen these? Am I forgetting? Is my mind slipping me? Could be, I don't know. Either way, those are cool. And I really think this mug is something else. I haven't seen this. The guitar handle, so you can shred while you have your coffee. And this sketchbook or notepad or whatever is really sweet. I have not seen that either. I'm really digging the Coco here. I'm like the simplicity. See, I'm a big fan of like simple designs like that, centered, not too crazy. Yet another board game crossover. We've got Clue with the Disney villains. I have not seen that. Where have I been? What is going on? So overall, I mean, there's quite a bit of stuff here, a lot of which you can find at World of Disney, as well as like maybe the dress shop. But I did find some things that I haven't seen. Now, I don't know if that's just because I don't pay attention or I have a terrible memory, but I was pleasantly surprised to see some things I hadn't seen before. And I can appreciate all these different displays because you don't have a lot of these. There's not enough room over at World of Disney for all of these. So that's kind of interesting. And they have these like little backstops, these little decorative backstops for each of these setups. Adam, you just pointed out this Pirates shirt.
Yeah.
Which it's really cool because it...
From a distance, it looks like a skull.
Yeah.
The closer you get, you see the pirate ship, the cave. This might be Jack there.
Looks like Jack Sparrow right there. Now, interestingly enough, I remember they did a Haunted Mansion shirt very similar a while back where it did the same idea, where it looked like a skull, but then you look close and the elements were actually Haunted Mansion-esque elements. So nice shirt. I like that.
Yeah, I like that too.
All right, so that's it. That's as much as I can pretty much show you without being redundant of a lot of merch that you've seen before. So I think we'll exit out of here. Something cool that I noticed, we've got the Hollywoodland trash cans that are normally out there in DCA. Just a little bit of DCA right there, as close as we can get. All right, here's the exit on our way out. It's funny, even these black drapes, we use these for dressing rooms backstage a lot. So it's kind of appropriate that they did that. Little Easter egg on the way out, play it. That's from the original DCA, the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire attraction that was in Stage 17. All right, leaving the stage back out into the sunlight. Thank you.
Yeah, 2 steps, head back toward the open gate.
right, leaving the big gates. They're open. Isn't that cool that they're open?
For visiting us.
Thank you. Some activity at the gate. Could be the mayor of Anaheim, possibly. I think it is the mayor of Anaheim. Harry Sidhu. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name right, but you may remember him from the press conference that was held some weeks ago regarding Disneyland reopening. He was the guy that said, it's a disaster down there. He was very passionate. Hopefully that's a good sign. Maybe that means something. Maybe something is about to happen. You know, there's been a lot of talk lately between the state of California and Disneyland regarding the situation, and something may be happening. Hi, Mr. Mayor. Good to see you, sir. Thank you for doing what you do. We appreciate you. Good work, man. Appreciate it. Everything you guys do. Thank you, sir. It means that there is forward movement happening and that they're still trying to get the park open, for whatever that means. All right, give a quick peruse of World of Disney for this update. Haven't looked at the old castle fireworks display in a while. It's as good as it gets. I'm just trying to remember. Yeah, I remember doing that. You guys remember seeing that live? Yeah, it seems like it's less crowded in here. I mean, there's still shoppers around, but not quite as packed. And I really believe it's because of stage 17. I assume people would come to both stores, even though there's similar merch. There's nothing like World of Disney. This store is set up pretty nice. Everywhere you look, it's just all merch everywhere. Just the art direction in here is pleasant. I've always enjoyed it. I didn't know that they had Boba Fett gauntlets that you wear on your wrist, and then you can shoot those discs. It includes 20 launching discs, motorized rapid fire, adjustable straps, on-off switch. Wonder if it makes any noises as well. Either way. What's this? What's this? The Scientific Method, Jack Skellington's notebook for how to create two holidays colliding. Look at this side is all silvery. And when you open that cover, basically you've got the snowman times the chestnuts over the open fire divided by a Christmas bell, the square root of December 25th plus Sandy. That equals Christmas. I guess I'll just have to trust Jack's math on that. I'm not really understanding it. So upon perusal here, it seems like the crowd is about the same for a Wednesday, even with the presence of stage 17. I think folks are doing both situations. I would recommend that you visit both locations because they're both worthy of your shopping needs. And from the look on your face, you would totally agree with me. I can tell. I can see it. I can see it in your eyes. You know, I used to have this version of this hat as a kid. They had a Donald Duck version back in the 70s. That's kind of my attitude right now towards the non-opening of our park. And I'm sure these have been out a while, but I like the Slinky Dog ears. That's pretty clever. I've seen this hat before, but I have not seen this one, the Walt Disney Studios. I wish they had that in a black hat with white printing, because I would buy it. I would get this hat so dirty in about 5 seconds. Take one. Ballast Point offering some fall Halloween stuff. We're gonna do that in a later video once Katie's back around. They've got some offerings that we want to try. And there right in the center is Uva Bar, part of Catal Restaurant. Really nice bar. We haven't been there in a bit, and they do have some offerings for the fall Halloween season. I heard rumblings of a monster burger. Hopefully it's large and scary. Both meanings of the word monster, I think, represented here. Back over at the Star Wars Trading Post, see if anything has changed. Thank you. You hear him? He's making noise.
He's doing a little growling. I have one of his cousins on my shelf in my office.
Oh.
Yeah, he's a very familiar fella.
Does Baby Yoda look a little like he's just woke up and hasn't had his coffee yet? He kind of does, doesn't he? Still got the same sabers in the case here. Should we do a plush pan, you guys? Plush pan, plush pan. I just always like the looks on all these guys' faces. I've been inspired to start a band lately, and I think I'm gonna call it Bantha Lips. Seems like it hasn't changed much in here. A lot of the same stuff being offered. And then the back counter has all the sabers. There's one lit up right there. All right, made it over to the home store. We're gonna just take a little quick peruse in there. Gord. So I'm reminding you, Adam, to don't leave home without it. Without what, you ask? Well, your camera. I'm saying that.
Not at all.
Yeah, you're ready. Go home.
Downtown Disney.
That's right.
It's become our home now.
It really has.
Remember Disneyland?
Excuse me?
Downtown
Well, I'm not sure what you're referring to. Not familiar. All right, we made it inside. A lot of the same stuff. Oh, look, there's that same book I saw at World of Disney, the scientific method of two holidays colliding. You can learn all about that and make notes of your own.
That's a nice Madame Leota throw
Yeah,
tower.
that's pretty
Oh,
awesome.
there's also Leota over there on the. I
Now,
don't know what that is.
now, from a Florida expert, I heard that tombstone is only at the Florida Haunted Mansion.
Yes.
That Leota tombstone right there.
Yep. And she blinks her eyes.
Confirmed. I've been threatening to get this mug for a long time. I don't know why I haven't.
Just waiting for you.
It really
Calling your
is.
name.
See, we got the logo inside the rim there. This is an amazing display right here. Look at this. I like how they laid this out. The symmetry of it pleases me. Look at that. This is crazy with the witch's hand holding the poison apple. That is pretty crazy. 80 bucks. Yeah, the front two rooms actually are all the fall and Halloween decor. And then as you get further back, they've got some other stuff that's more of the generic flavor. Time-wise speaking, we only had to wait 10 minutes. We got a virtual reservation and we only had to wait like 10 minutes to get in here. So that's not too bad for this time of year. There's the Nightmare Before Christmas crew in their spooky wagon. Lock, shock, and barrel represented on the roof. Checking in with Lego Beast. It's always kind of a tradition of mine now. Oh, it looks like cobwebs on his head for the Halloween season. Look at that up there. It's getting into the spirit. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for today. The Disneyland Resort update, as well as Downtown Disney, the Stage 17 Backlot experience. It was pretty cool to go back there, wasn't it?
It was, and you got to say hello to the mayor.
I got to say hi to Mayor Harry Sidu, who's a fine gentleman, and he's working hard to do right by the city of Anaheim, and we wish him the best of luck. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. That helps us out a lot. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button.
It doesn't cost a dime.
It doesn't.
Or even a penny.
It's such a bargain. And we'll see you guys next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.